Hi, this is Sahana. In this video, we are going to understand what are logical operators in C Sharp. As you all know, we have different types of operators in C Sharp, like we have arithmetic operators that are used to perform arithmetic operations, and we have comparison operators which are used to compare the values. Then we have assignment operators. The same way we have logical operators. Logical operators are used to evaluate Boolean expressions. Boolean expressions are the expressions that return either true or false. C Sharp has a whole list of logical operators. They are logical negation operator. At the end we have a symbol. Logical AND operator. We represent this using single ampersand. Then logical OR operator, logical exclusive OR operator, then conditional logical AND operator, then conditional logical OR operator. Very important thing to remember about these operators is they work on Boolean operands or expressions, and the result will be either true or false, and they follow certain rules to evaluate the result. Here is a table. I have listed all the operators with that symbol and the rule they follow to evaluate the expression. This is just an overview. We are going to learn each of these operators in a separate video with practical examples. So stay tuned. See you soon in the next video. Thank you.